Your Mac Mini might seem fine at first, but if the Wi-Fi keeps disconnecting, it can ruin your work or streaming. This usually happens because of network settings, interference, or software glitches. Many users face this and think it's a serious problem. But in this video, I'll show you how to fix Wi-Fi that keeps disconnecting on your Mac Mini. Let's fix it right now. Solution 1. Forget the Wi-Fi network. Click the Wi-Fi icon in the top menu. Next, click on Wi-Fi settings. Then click on Details next to your Wi-Fi network. Now click on Forget this network. Click Remove, and now reconnect your Wi-Fi. Solution 2. Change DNS. Click the Wi-Fi icon in the top menu. Next, click on Wi-Fi settings. Then click on Details next to your Wi-Fi network. Now click on DNS from the right sidebar. Click on the plus icon under the DNS servers option. Now enter 8.8.8 or 1.1.1. Then click on the empty place in the server box. Then again, click on the plus icon. Now enter 8.8.4.4 or 1.0.0.1. And then click OK. Solution 3. Firewall settings. Go to the Settings app. Now click on the network. Then click on the firewall. If the firewall is turned on, then click on the options below. Now make sure to toggle off this option called Block All Incoming Connections. Solution 4. Wi-Fi Diagnostics. Press and hold the option button on the keyboard, then click on the Wi-Fi icon at the top. Next, click on the Open Wireless Diagnostics, then click on Continue. Now, it will take some time to analyze, then again, click Continue. After that, it will solve your Wi-Fi issues. Hope your issue is solved. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned and take care.